Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play RimWorld for beginners. To begin, select a landing site with plenty of wood, steel, and fertile soil, ideally in a temperate forest. Next, choose 3 colonists with varied skills like construction, growing, and medical. Immediately construct a small room for shelter and a growing zone for simple food like rice. This initial setup is crucial for your colony's survival and early development. Efficient resource management is key to a thriving colony. Designate areas for mining steel and components, logging wood, and foraging berries. Build a research bench to unlock new technologies and a workshop for crafting tools and weapons. Ensure a stable power supply using solar panels during the day and batteries for storage, or harness geothermal vents for consistent energy. Keeping your colonists happy and healthy is paramount. Provide nutritious meals, comfortable beds, and recreational activities like chess or horseshoe pins. Assign tasks that align with their highest skills. For example, a skilled grower should manage your farms. Continuously research new technologies such as electricity, hydroponics, and advanced defenses to enhance your colony's capabilities and ensure long-term prosperity. As your colony grows, so do the threats. Construct sturdy walls, spike traps, and automated turrets to defend against hostile raids. Consider recruiting new colonists by rescuing downed individuals or by capturing and converting raiders. Strategically expand your base to include more living quarters, production facilities, and storage areas, always keeping defense in mind for a secure and flourishing settlement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.